A dishwasher should make your life easier, not harder. It's supposed to be a time-saving appliance that takes the hassle out of cleaning up after meals. Nobody wants to finish a meal and find their dishwasher isn't draining or cleaning properly. It's one of those moments that can turn a good day into a stressful one. That's a recipe for frustration. Dirty dishes piling up and a machine that's supposed to help just sitting there, not doing its job. Luckily, just like many household headaches, this is often something you can solve yourself. You don't always need to call in a professional. With a few simple tools and a bit of elbow grease, you can have your dishwasher back to its sparkling best in no time. It's all about knowing where to start and what to look for. Let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this like pros. It's empowering to fix things on your own. We'll walk through the steps to diagnose the problem and get that dishwasher draining and cleaning the way it should. From checking the filter to inspecting the drain hose, we've got you covered. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the power to your dishwasher before starting any work. This simple step can prevent accidents and ensure a smooth repair process. The most common culprit behind a poorly performing dishwasher is often the simplest blockages. These blockages can significantly reduce the efficiency of your dishwasher, leading to dishes that are not properly cleaned and even potential damage to the appliance over time. Food debris can accumulate in several key areas, preventing proper water flow and cleaning action. This debris can come from leftover food particles, grease and other residues that are not rinsed off before loading the dishwasher. Start by inspecting the filter, usually located at the bottom of the dishwasher. The filter is designed to catch large food particles and prevent them from clogging the drain. Remove it carefully and clear out any trapped particles. Regularly cleaning the filter can help maintain the dishwasher's performance and extend its lifespan. Next, check the spray arms for clogs. The spray arms are responsible for distributing water evenly throughout the dishwasher. They can get jammed with food too. When the spray arms are clogged, the water flow is restricted, leading to poor cleaning results. Remove them, consult your owner's manual if you're unsure how, and use a toothpick or wire to dislodge any blockages. This simple step can make a big difference in the cleaning power of your dishwasher. Finally, inspect the drain hose located at the back of the dishwasher. The drain hose is essential for removing dirty water from the dishwasher. Ensure it's free of kinks and clear any visible obstructions. A blocked or kinked drain hose can cause water to back up into the dishwasher, leading to poor performance and potential water damage. Sometimes a simple rinse won't cut it. Over time, food particles, grease and soap scum can build up in your dishwasher, leading to unpleasant odors and reduced efficiency. Your dishwasher needs a good deep clean every now and then to stay in top shape. Regular maintenance can extend its lifespan and ensure your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. A buildup of grease and grime can affect its performance. This can lead to clogged spray arms and filters, making your dishwasher work harder than it needs to. Run an empty cycle with a cup of white vinegar placed upright on the top rack. The vinegar will help to dissolve any lingering grease and remove any musty odors. Vinegar acts as a natural cleaning agent, breaking down grease and mineral deposits. It's an eco-friendly solution that avoids the use of harsh chemicals. After the vinegar cycle, sprinkle a cup of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher and run another short hot cycle. Baking soda is great for deodorizing and scrubbing away any remaining grime. This 1-2 punch will leave your dishwasher sparkling clean and smelling fresh. Regular deep cleaning not only improves performance, but also ensures your appliance runs smoothly for years to come. Prevention is key. To keep your dishwasher running smoothly, make it a habit to scrape off excess food from your dishes before loading them. Avoid overloading the dishwasher, as this can restrict water flow and cleaning performance. Regularly inspect and clean the filter, spray arms and drain hose to prevent future blockages. And don't forget about those deep cleans with vinegar and baking soda. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your dishwasher and avoid those frustrating drainage and cleaning issues. Remember, a little care goes a long way.